voilà toute l'équipe de
So here we have
Benedetta.
the crew from the film Benedetta, a film which is being screened in competition at the 74th Cannes Film Festival.
Paul
The
Verhoeven,
director is Paul Verhoeven. You can see him there in the center in the grey shirt.
par ses
And he
actrices.
has his cast around him, Virginie Efira, Daphne Patakia, but also Louise Chevillotte,
Olivier Rabourdin,
Olivier Rabourdin, and Clotilde Courreau, who plays Benedetta's mother.
voilà. Toute l'équipe du film.
So the entire cast
Et
from
là,
the
un film.
film is here. This film has been released in France already, so you can go to the movies and see Benedetta if you're here in France.
Voilà. Et on voit Saïd Ben Saïd qui vient dans le
And Saïd Ben Saïd has just turned up. He's the producer of the film.
producteur heureux puisque
He's a happy producer because this film was
3 ans
shot over 3 years ago.
devait être présenté
It
à
was
Cannes.
due to be presented in Cannes last year, but of course, as we all know, COVID struck
Pu se tenir
and the film festival did not take place.
une équipe.
So here we have a film crew that's really, really happy to actually brought their completed film here to Cannes. Paul Verhoeven came to Cannes in 2016 with the film Elle. It was in competition.
Efira jouait des
Virginie Efira starred in that film alongside Laurent Lafitte and Isabelle
bien sûr en
Huppert.
1980.
And in
Verhoeven.
1992, Paul Verhoeven
Réellement du bruit.
really caused a stir with his film Basic Instinct.
Sharon Stone.
Sharon Stone starring in that film, of course.
Voilà, toute l'équipe prend la pause
There we have the representatives of the film Benedetta
pour Benedetta,
at their photo
un
call.
film qui raconte l'histoire
The
d'une
film
bonne
tells the
sœur
story of a nun in the 17th century.
lesbienne.
She's a lesbian.
Un film qui est sorti en salle.
This film has been already released in France.
Clotilde Courreau,
There you saw Clotilde Courreau on your screen.
Daphne Patakia,
Daphne Patakia,
qui est absolument
who is absolutely amazing in the film, as they all are.
Patakia,
Daphne Patakia
qui était à Cannes en 2017 aussi.
was in Cannes
Tony Gatliff.
in 2017 in a Tony Gatliff film which was screened on the beach. So here we have Virginie, Daphne and Paul Verhoeven on your screen.
Efira,
Virginie Efira is a regular here in Cannes. She was in competition
2019 pour Sibylle.
in 2019 with the film Sybil, directed by Justine Trier.
À Cannes en 2000.
And she was also here in
Bain de Gilles
2018 with Sink or Swim, a film directed by Gilles Lelouch, which was not in competition. And a little earlier on,
2016,
she was here in 2016,
Paul Verhoeven,
starring in the film Elle, directed by the very same Paul Verhoeven.
d'ailleurs à Isabelle
And
Huppert,
Isabelle Huppert
César de la meilleure
won César for Best Actress for that film Elle.
Paul Verhoeven entouré par sa
Paul Verhoeven with his two leading ladies.
complicité. Vous entendez les photographes
You can hear the photographers chanting away, asking them to turn around to face the other set of photographers.
voilà. Je vous l'avais dit. Paul Verhoeven qui s'est
Paul Verhoeven drew inspiration from religious engravings dating back to the 17th century when he was designing his film.
Et il a tout de même réussi à retravailler cette époque.
He has managed to work that era in a very contemporary way.
Voilà, Virginie Efira.
Virginie Efira
La pose sur le photocall.
posing at the photo call for the film Benedetta, directed by Paul Verhoeven. This film is in the official competition here in Cannes.
Virginie Efira qui est aujourd'hui une des actrices
Virginie Efira is one of the most popular and sought-after actresses in French film today. Recently,
au casting d'Adieu les cons d'Albert.
She was in a film directed by Albert Dupontel. The English title has been translated as Bye Bye Morons.
Police,
she was also in Police by Anne Fontaine, Sibylle by Justine Triet. In fact, the Anne Fontaine film is called Night Shift in English.
Virginie Efira qui peut à la fois
Virginie Efira is in films which can be very, very dark, or she can be very light-hearted, very light-hearted comedies, such as It Boy, directed by David Moreau, which really brought her to the fore of the public's attention.
Famille Alloué également de Jean-Pierre Améris.
She's also known well in France here for a Jean-Pierre Améris film called Une famille à louer.
Voilà Virginie Efira.
There we have Virginie. Efira has gone into the shade, leaving Daphne to take the limelight. Daphne Patakia
prend la pause.
Is center stage now.
Daphne Patakia un petit peu moins présente à Cannes que Virginie.
She's not been to Cannes as many times as Virginie. She was here in 2017 in the Tony Gatliff film entitled Jam. It was screened on the beach. Yesterday, when she was on the red carpet, she was saying how magical it is for her to be here in Cannes.
Alors beaucoup l'ont aussi vue dans la série.
A lot of people will have seen her on the Anthony Cordier TV series called OVNI here in France. The translation would be UFOs.
Et Clotilde Courreau maintenant qui...
And Clotilde Courreau is now having her photo taken. In this film, she plays the role of Benedetta's mother.
Clotilde Courreau qui était à Cannes.
Clotilde Courreau came to Cannes
en 2007. Elle était membre
in 2007, where she was a Caméra d'Or jury member.
Mais aussi en 2019.
But also in 2019, when she was in the Rebecca Zlotowski film called An Easy Girl, that was in the Director's Fortnight section.
Clotilde Courreau.
Clotilde Courreau.
Rare qu'on ait toujours.
Is an actress we don't see enough on the big screen. We're always delighted when she is present. And here we have Louise Chevillotte. She also stars in this film, Benedetta.
Louise Chevillotte, dont c'est la deuxième présentation.
This is the second time that she's been to Cannes. She starred in the Philippe Garrel film called L'Amant du Jour. That was back in 2017. And she was also in Synonyms by Nadav Lapid, who is here in competition this year.
Avec le genou d'Aed.
With Aed's knee.
Voilà, Louise Chevillotte.
So here we are with Louise Chevillotte.
Qui prend la pause. Un acteur.
We have an actor from the film.
Olivier Rabourdin.
Olivier Rabourdin is his name.
Également à l'affiche de Benedetta.
And he stars in Benedetta, the film directed by Paul Verhoeven, in competition this year at the 74th Cannes Film Festival.
Il y a 11 ans, il était là pour
11 years ago,
de Xavier Beauvois, un film
he was here with the
présenté
Xavier Beauvois film of God and of Men.
Il était revenu en 2014.
And he came back in 2014 with in the film Grace of Monaco, which was not in competition, but which was screened here in Cannes.
Et le réalisateur.
And here we have the director, Paul Verhoeven.
On le qualifie très souvent de réalisateur sulfureux Paul Verhoeven.
He is often described as a steamy film
Retour
director.
à Cannes.
He's back in Cannes.
Alors on rappelle que Paul Verhoeven est réellement connu pour des films comme
Is well
Robocop, La
known
Chair
for
et le Sang,
films
Total
like Total Recall, Robocop,
Showgirl,
Basic Instinct,
Showgirl.
Showgirl, Starship Troopers.
Paul Verhoeven qui a commencé sa carrière
He
dans
started
les années
his
70,
career back in the 60s, early
il
70s,
revient aujourd'hui
and
avec
he's
Benedetta,
still around, and here he is in Cannes with the film Benedetta in 2021.
un film qu'il a pensé après avoir découvert l'histoire de cette
He was
sœur
inspired to make the film after he'd learnt about the existence of Sister
Benedetta,
Benedetta.
producteur qui l'a
And
rejoint.
here, Saïd Ben
rappelle
Saïd, the producer,
que ce film a été
has
tourné depuis 3 ans.
joined Paul Verhoeven
Quelle
for
joie
the
pour le
Photoshop. So the producer must be really relieved that the film is actually out now, 3 years after it was made.
à Cannes.
So Benedetta is here in Cannes,
Benedetta, un film
and
présenté
the team
en compétition
is
officielle, je le rappelle, de cette
screening this film in the official competition at the
Festival
74th
de Cannes.
Cannes
Tout de
Film
suite, je
Festival.
propose
Let's
de découvrir
move along
la
and
bande-annonce
see
de
the
Benedetta.
trailer.